National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, Southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 10 a.m. At 9:02 a.m., a line of severe thunderstorms extended from Shabana to Leland to Webburn to Ottawa, and was moving east at 40 to 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. The strongest wind gusts are expected between the Interstate 88 and 80 corridors, particularly across Kendall County. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, St. Charles, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Coal City, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Elburn, Diamond, Seneca, Mazon, Newark, and Braceville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe